Hello everyone, welcome to BioOcean and this is me Sheetal Maria with you, and today's topic is about the stages of breast cancer. In the previous video we discussed about the symptoms, and here we are going to deal about the stages. And as you all know, cancer is a progressive disorder and it goes through so many stages, and the stage of each cancer describes that what is the size of the cancer and how far it have been spread. And here the doctors determine the extent of cancer and the treatment options by analyzing the size of this, otherwise the stage of this cancer. And majorly in the case of breast cancer, there are 5 stages starting from 0 and ending up in 4, and they are represented by Roman numerals. The first stage is the stage 0, which is called as non-invasive carcinoma or ductal carcinoma in situ. And here the cancer hasn't spread from the duct into the surrounding tissues. Coming up to the stage 1, it has been divided into stage 1A and stage 1B. In the case of stage 1A, the cancer is 2 cm or smaller and hasn't spread outside the breast. And while going to the stage 1B, no cancer is seen in the breast, but a few cancer cells are found in the lymph nodes under the arm. Then comes the stage 2. It is again divided into 2A and 2B. 2A stage, here no cancer is seen in the breast. Cancer 2 cm or smaller is found in the lymph nodes numbering from 1 to 3 under the arm or near the chest bone or near the breastbone. We can call it as either chest bone, otherwise it's a breastbone. Okay, larger than 2 cm, but it is not greater than 5 cm, and no cancer is found in the lymph nodes under arm. In stage 2B, cancer is larger than 2 cm and smaller than 5 cm, and it is found in the lymph nodes numbering from 1 to 3 under the arm or near the breastbone. In stage 3, it is divided into 3A, 3B and 3C. In stage 3A, no cancer is seen in the breast, but cancer is found in the lymph nodes numbering 4 to 9 under the arm or near the breastbone, and it measure up to 5 cm or larger than that. In stage 3B, cancer may be of any size and has spread to skin cells, otherwise the chest wall, and found in the lymph nodes numbering up to 9 under the arm or near the breastbone. And in the stage 3C, cancer can be of any size and have spread to the skin of the breast or chest wall and is found in the 10th or more than 10 lymph nodes under the arm or near the breastbones or to nodes above or below the collarbone or clavicles. The last but not the least stage is stage 4, and it is known as the secondary breast cancer, and it can be of any size, and here lymph nodes may or may not contain cancer, but cancer has spread to other body parts such as distant lymph nodes, lungs, bones, liver or brain. And the only thing that we can do to just analyze whether we have a breast cancer or we have any kind of symptoms is to do the proper analysis of our breast in the way suggested. And if you find any kind of bulging or anything associated near the breast, just go and consult the doctor and find the treatment as soon as possible. So that is all about the stages of cancer. I hope you find this helpful. If you find this effective, please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have any kind of suggestions or doubts, please let me know through my comment section, and do share it with your friends and others who are interested to learn biology. And we will see you in the next video. Thank you for listening. God bless. Thank you.